Picture this: Allan Dib, sitting in a bustling cafe in Melbourne, stares at a blank sheet. Not just any paper, but what will become your business's fastest growth weapon, the one-page marketing plan. He's about to reveal how to stop marketing chaos and start attracting customers like bees to honey. But why has it taken entrepreneurs decades to crack a simple one-page formula? Stick around, because the answer will flip your marketing mindset. Random marketing tactics are like throwing spaghetti at the wall hoping something sticks. Allan Dib refuses to let you waste money or time on scattered efforts. Remember Mike, a Melbourne restaurateur drowning in slow nights? He used Allan's plan, focusing each box from targeting locals craving a midweek excuse to eat out, to crafting a message that felt personal, and finally picking simple media, Facebook ads, right where his crowd hung out. Boom, tables filled, profits soared by 30% in just 3 months. Allan compares marketing to baking a layered cake. You need the right ingredients in the right order or it collapses. The one-page marketing plan is your recipe card. It breaks down complex marketing into 9 digestible squares, each a strategic slice, from identifying your ideal customer to how you'll deliver your sales message. No magic, just math and muscle. When your marketing plan lives on one page, your whole team sees the same roadmap. This clarity annihilates confusion. Suddenly, prospects don't just notice you, they believe you're their only option. Small biz owners who master this single sheet report customers begging to buy, not the other way around. Big brand marketing rules don't always work for scrappy small businesses. Allan Dib's rebel secret: direct response marketing, making people act now, not later. Allan spills the Febreze story, a classic flop because people didn't get the product's benefit instantly. The marketers pitched odor remover, but nobody pictured the value. It wasn't until they sold Febreze as a reward, an enjoyable spray after cleaning, that sales exploded. Lesson: your marketing must trigger immediate action or you're just background noise. Direct response marketing is like offering a friend a drink, not a lecture. To get someone to say yes, you bribe them with real value up front, a free webinar, a helpful checklist, not with desperate sales pitches. Customers respond when you give them a taste first. It's Psychology 101 wrapped in generosity. Instead of pushing products, the one-page marketing plan teaches you to ask prospects questions that uncover their real needs. When you listen first, you flip the script. Now they come to you ready to buy. This subtle shift turns awkward pitching into natural conversations, and guess what? Sales become effortless. If you think charging premium prices scares customers away, Allan Dib is about to blow your mind with why raising rates can make them thank you instead. Sarah ran a struggling graphic design studio in Sydney, constantly slashing prices to win clients. After applying the one-page marketing plan's pricing strategies, she reworked her offers with value-added bonuses, priority support, extra revisions, and confidently doubled her rates. Surprisingly, her client loyalty skyrocketed, with repeat business becoming the norm. Allan's value stacking is like turning a plain coffee into a barista-crafted latte with whipped cream and a shot of vanilla. You're not just selling a product, you're layering benefits and experiences until the customer feels they're getting way more than the price suggests. That perception shift is pure marketing genius. Raising prices can feel risky, but when done right, it attracts clients who respect your skills and want the best. Allan shows that customers who pay more often expect higher quality and are grateful when they get it. The surprising insight: charging less can make you seem less confident, which sells fewer deals. Back in that Melbourne cafe, Allan Dib proved that the secret to rapid business growth isn't complexity but simplicity, a single page of focused action. Now it's your turn. Grab a blank sheet, draw 9 squares, and fill in your roadmap to magnetic marketing. Try refining just one square today, say your ideal customer profile, and watch how clarity starts turning prospects into paying fans. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.